folks, welcome back to the channel. On today's adventure, we're going around our neighborhood, Duarte, Baldwin Park, Azusa, Santa Fe Dam, all that stuff. We're leading a ride. There's about 9 of us today in our meetup group, and it's a leisure ride, about no more than 20 miles per hour. We got all kinds of bikes here today. I'm obviously on my Super73 RX motorbike that it has a 40 amp battery with a stock motor and an Amazon controller here, and it goes about 48 miles per hour, top speed. Alright, we're crossing the bridge so that we can finally get to a legitimate bike lane. There's most folks. Just making sure everyone sees us. Alrighty, let's roll. Now heading north. Yep. Alright, we're good. Alright, Charles. Feel free to lead us as long as you're not going over 20.
Okay.
I'm just gonna record people. Just stop at the stoplight. That's Charles with the Lunicycle BBS HD. Here comes Bob with the OptiBike. Eddie with the Mondraker E-Bike now. Go for it. Cameron, folding bike, electric bike. Alfred and Albert. Oh, that's Bob. And then this is, yep, there's Albert. Everyone's pedaling today, so I should kind of pedal as well. All right, 9 men. Should that be the title? 9 men e-biking. No. Just a leisure ride today, I think should be the title. Something along those language. I'm the fastest bike today. How's that? That be clickbait enough? I got the fastest bike on a group ride. Title. Hilarious. Wow. Alfred's Ihora battery case is see-through. That's pretty cool. I've never seen that. I've always liked, I'm a fan of see-through bike battery cases. Hello. Let's check it out really quick. That's a nice case.
The battery?
Yeah.
It lights up at night.
Oh, nice. Is it on Amazon?
I bought it directly to the manufacturer. It's in they have distributor center right here in Covina.
Ihora, huh?
Yeah.
Nice. I like the case. I like seeing the batteries.
My cousin doesn't like it.
Oh.
It looks like, he said, it looks like a moon or something.
Like it's not finished, maybe. Like, but I like it. It's nice. I'm thinking of a business of making e-bike battery cases. At first, I was thinking of making batteries, but there's just so much liabilities involved in that, you know, with fire and hazard and stuff like that. But cases, you know, that's a different story, and I've always liked see-through casing. I've had a PlayStation 2 before, and you know, you buy the see-through casing to make it look cool, so you can see the motherboard and the insides of it. I don't know, that was just my preference, really. I like your solar bag.
Yeah.
Does it?
It doesn't work that well because it needs like a consistent 5 volts to activate the battery.
Ah. Cameron, your wife couldn't make it?
Yeah. It's beautiful up here.
Oh, yeah, it's hard to find leisure rides now. It's just about push a button or a twist the throttle. All right, we're gonna head to Duarte, and we've just been cruising here about 15 to 20 miles per hour. I started with 83 volts. Oh, I'm still at 82. So the only downside to this setup is I don't really have lights. I mean, I do have lights with the regular Super73 controller. I'm still researching another option. Mr. Central Drive already has one, but that's like about $240. There's a cheaper way to do it for sure. I'm just waiting for some parts. I don't really care about the signal lights, but I do want brake lights, functioning brake lights. So we're just gonna wait on that. I think it's coming in the mail. And eventually I want to sell all the Super73 electrical components that we won't really need. Because right now my lights are always auto shut off like in 9 minutes or so. I have to keep pressing this button just to keep my lights activated. Because the system thinks that the motor isn't working, because it's obviously not connected, so it shuts off. All right, we're now in Duarte Trail, heading east towards Santa Fe Dam, but first we're gonna stop at Encanto Park. Oh, some people are off-roading, huh? All right, took about a bathroom break, and apparently we're 11 miles in. Now we're gonna head towards Azusa.
Man, that water is full. You know how you used to be able to ride through it?
You can't, yeah.
Yeah, you cannot do that here.
Yeah, I've been checking it out like every other day. That's why we didn't do the Emerald Necklace Loop.
Yeah, because you wouldn't be able to complete that.
Yeah, and not only that, like if the Rio Hondo, there's flood too, like two parts where it dips. Tandem riding and manual tandem riding. You don't see those often anymore, I don't think. I've always wanted to try that. Like all kinds of bikes on wheels I've wanted to try, like trikes or like even those reclining ones.
A few moments later.
So we just took a photo break, and I was just putting my jacket on, and this freaking bee just stung my thumb, and it's getting numb now.
That's not great.
And it's my throttle thumb. I think it's okay.
Did you have a stinger in you?
Yeah, I did.
I think wasps don't have stingers. I think they just bite.
Oh, then it's just a bee then.
Yeah.
But like, I didn't do anything to it. What the hell? Like, and it.
See it?
Yeah, I flicked it out.
Oh, okay.
And then, but once they sting, they die, right? Isn't that?
Yeah.
But like, why would they?
Yanks their proboscis off.
Oh my gosh. The last time I got stung was like elementary school. It's been a while. 80 volts still. We've gone about 13 miles. We're gonna head back out, and hopefully no more bee stings. We're gonna head a little more north, and then we're gonna U-turn back to Santa Fe Dam for sunset. That's the plan.
We'll end up where? Sunset? Top of the dam?
Yeah.
All right.
That's the plan, at least. Seth said you should suck the poison out. And then Bob said should add mud to it. So there's all kinds of remedies. But my thumb is starting to numb. I don't know if you guys could see that. I swiped the stinger off with a credit card, and that's as far as I remember what to do. Because I used to work at at elementary school. Took some pictures at Azusa. Heading back. Hopefully catch a sunset at Santa Fe Dam and call it a day. There's the group, and we're gonna see the sunset one last time up here, which is my favorite spot. I gather we have about 10 minutes till that sun dips through that mountain over there. give or take. We still have about 79 volts, and we've gone about 25 miles already. Can we park just the bikes this time?
Yep.
Yeah, like this way.
Okay.
Alright, got my reflective jacket on, so that way we're visible here. We're heading back. We should be 4 miles away. Yeah, all 8 of us. Charles dipped already, because it's easier for him to bike home that way. It's like 35 on Amazon, 35 bucks? Yeah. Yeah, reflective jacket. They're seeing how cool my jacket is, how reflective it is, which I should put on my Amazon list so that this way you guys could see it as well. Alright guys, we're pretty much in Baldwin Park. That's going to be in today's adventure. Thank you for tuning in. Like and subscribe for more content. Check out the useful links in the description below for discounts on the Super73 Aerial Rider or a DIY bafang kit. This is Julian signing out. See you guys in the next ride. Peace.